Hey guys, today's session is gonna be on machine learning algorithm. So without any further ado, we will move on to the agenda to understand what all we will cover in today's session. We will be following the top-down approach. We will start from the basics and understand what an algorithm is and how it can be used in machine learning. After that, we will understand what is machine learning exactly and how a problem can be solved using machine learning. After that, we will understand various techniques using which a machine can learn, and after that we will be discussing some of the basic algorithms which are used in machine learning. Towards the end, we will be doing a demonstration wherein we will see how we can prepare a dataset for creation and validation of a model. After that, we will be creating a model using one of the algorithms that we will be learning today. Alright, so guys, this is our agenda for today. Are we clear with it?